Hello! In this lesson, we are going to talk about object-focused verbs. First, let's review a few things that we learned about Tagalog sentences in our last lesson. Each sentence has one focus. The focus is always an ang pronoun or ang followed by a noun. Many sentences also have a non-focus. The non-focus is always a nung pronoun or nung followed by a noun. Let's also review simple sentence structure: verb, actor, object, location. Keep this in mind as we delve into object-focused sentences, but don't worry about the location part yet. We will get into that in a later lesson. Object-focused verbs. 2 of the 4 verb types we have learned already are object-focused verbs, in and I. For these verbs, the focus of the sentence will be the object, and the non-focus will be the actor. Here is a simple formula for building an object-focused sentence. Begin with an object-focused verb, add a nung actor, and then an ang object, and voila! You've got an object-focused sentence. Let's look at some examples of Tagalog sentences that use object-focused verbs. We will see 2 sentences using IN verbs and 2 sentences using I verbs. The first sentence in each pair will use the English verb share conjugated as either an IN verb or an I verb. Some of the other words may also be English, but we will preserve the Tagalog sentence structure. This is to help you learn the concept without making it too confusing. We shared the ice cream. Shinare namin ang ice cream. I am using the computer. Ginagamit ko ang computer. They will share the toy. Ishashare nila ang toy. She gave the gift. Ibinigay niya ang gift. Today we learned about object-focused verbs. We learned that 2 of the verb types we have already learned are object-focused verbs, IN verbs and I verbs. We also learned how to correctly use these verbs to make object-focused sentences. For your study, I would recommend that you try making sentences like the ones we saw in this video, with English words first, but using Tagalog grammar. This will help you to get the grammar down without having to worry about new vocabulary at the same time. Then, when you learn the Tagalog vocabulary, you will be all set to use it with correct grammar. Masaya tayo ngayon kasi natuto tayong magtagalog na katulad ng Pinoy. At kung ito'y gusto mo, balik ka sa susunod para tayo ay mas lalong mag-enjoy. Ingat!